What's up, money makers, and welcome back to my channel. And today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a website I could use to make $100 by cheaply completing surveys on your phone. All you need right now is to literally just complete simple surveys on your phone. But before driving to the video, I advise you like this video right now, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. So right now I'm going to be giving you a moment to subscribe to my channel. So thank you for subscribing right now. So I'm going to be driving into the video straight up. So the first thing you need to do right now is to click on the first link in the description right now. It's going to take you to the website we're going to use to make $100 by simply completing surveys on your phone. So once you click on the website, it's going to take you to this website right here. You can literally see this how the website looks like. In order to start making money from this website, all you need right now is to create an account on this website, fill in your first name, your last name, and you're going to be done creating. One thing I want you guys to take note of is that when creating an account on this platform, you need to have a .email account. What I mean by .email account is, for example, your name at so.com, not a Gmail account. I know everybody has a Gmail account, like your name .gmail account, but you have to create an account on this platform. You need to have an email account and not a Gmail account. And I know you guys may be thinking, okay, how can I create an email account? So you have to create an email account. All you need right now is to head over to this website called Yahoo Mail. So if it's right here, this is the name of the website right here. All you need right now is to create an account on this website. So this website is going to give you an email account. That's your name.com. So go over to this website, create an account. It is simple to create an account. Just fill in your first name, your last name, and you're going to be done creating an account on this website. You can see right here, this is all you need in order to create an account. Your first name, that is your first name right now. Then this is where you're going to create your name yahoo.com. so it's not gmail.com. If you try to put in gmail.com, the website is not going to accept you. So you need to put in your name at yahoo.com. then confirm your password right here, put in your date of birth, then your day and your years, the day you are being given birth to. Then once you are done with that, click on continue. Then once you click on continue, you're able to create your account. Then once you are done creating your account, then just copy the email you just created right now and head over to the website I just showed you guys earlier. Head over to this website. Then you can see right here, it says in order to create an account, you need to have an email account, for example at .com. So that's what I mean by that. So once you put in the email you already gotten from yahoo.com, then put in the email right here, then confirm your password, click on you have agreed with the terms and conditions, then click on join. So once you click on join, this is how the website is going to look inside. So once you already created your account on this website, this is how your account is going to look like. It's gonna, this is how your account is going to look like. So right now I'm going to be showing you guys how to make money on this website. Like I said, once you use my link in the description, you are going to get a $3 bonus for using my link. You're going to get $3 for just using my link to create an account. So if you know you want to get this free $3 for yourself, make sure you use the link in the description right now. You can see right here I have a balance of $0.9 right here. So in order to cash out on this website, you need just payment method on this website like you used to cash out. But before I try to show you the payment method on this website, I would want to show you guys how you could try make money by completing surveys. So in order to get a lot of surveys with high paying amount of money, just click on the menu bar at the down corner right here. So once you click on the menu bar, it's going to take you to a place where you could complete a lot of surveys. Just click on offers. So once you go to the offers section, it's going to take you to the survey option. You can see right here, just click on complete survey. You're going to see the survey option at your dashboard right here. So it's going to load up a bunch of surveys for you right now. You can see right here, these are surveys right here. So this survey is going to pay you $0.23. This survey is going to pay you $0.22, so it's going to pay you $0.18. This survey is going to pay you $0.45. Like I said, that you can literally make close to $100 on this website in less than a month. So right now, let me do the math for you guys to tell you how much you can literally make on this website. So let me come over to my calculator right now. And also, wow, this is really fantastic. You will see right here, this survey is going to pay you $1 in order to complete a single survey. Let's just say, let me come over to my calculator right now to do the math for you guys to show you how much you can literally make on this website. So guys, let's just say you're able to complete a survey that's going to pay you $1.20 per task. So let's just say you're able to complete at least 100 surveys. Like you are able to complete 100 surveys on this website, you're going to be making $120, guys. This is literally cool. This is the best way and the laziest way to make money by just completing surveys. All you just need is to answer some question on this website and they're going to get you paid. Like I said, if I got any value from the video, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel right now, and don't forget to go to our WhatsApp community group down in the description. So right now, let's head over to the website right now to show you you more offers and what you can do on this website. So on this website, there are various ways you can literally use to make money online. So if you don't want to complete the service, you can literally play games, download games on your phone. You can literally watch videos and you're going to get paid. Just click on this offer menu. You're going to see a lot of tasks you can literally complete on this platform. And also you can also invite your friends. You can refer your friends to this platform. Once you refer your friends to this platform, you're going to get a commission for referring them. So right now, let me come over to the cash out method, to the payment method of this app. So you can see right here, this is the cash out method on this app. This is the minimum threshold. So if you are cashing out through PayPal, you need to have at least $10 in order to cash out. If you are cashing out through Amazon gift card, you need to have at least $5. So if you are cashing out through PayPal Euro, that's if you want to cash out in Europe, like I said, you can usually cash out in different kind of currency. This is really crazy. I love this website a lot. So you can cash out in Europe, you can cash out in pounds, you can cash out in dollars. So you could also cash out with the PayPal for Europe, you could cash out with Amazon pounds, you could also cash out with Skrill. And one thing I love about this platform is available worldwide. So you could either cash out with also Payoneer for those of you who are in Nigeria, who are in Africa. So their Payoneer is available worldwide. You can usually cash out the Payoneer. You can also cash out with String. So there are various payment methods on this website that you can use to cash out. So once you already make the minimum threshold, like I said, you can usually do, if you can do this in less than a week, you're able to cash out. So if you are hardworking, so in order to make money from this website, you need to put in the work. Don't be lazy, because if you are someone who is lazy, you can never make money on this website. Just make sure you keep on completing service, filling out the tax, and you're gonna get paid. So you can literally make close to like $100 to $200 in a month on this website if you're really serious about making money online. Like I said, if you are getting any value from the video, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to go join our WhatsApp community group down in the description. So the video is going to be popping up right here, teaching you how you can try to make money online. Like I said, if you want to learn more ways on how you can try to make money online, the link is going to be down in the description to go get my training, where I'll be teaching you one-on-one on how you can try to make your first $1,000 online. So the link is going to be down in the description, and also the video is going to be popping right here on the screen, teaching you how to make money online. So right now, I'm going to see you guys in the next